Hello, good morning to everyone. Today in this video, I'll tell you how you can remove the mobile name, the manufacturer name on the photos, camera photos. Say for example, I'm just clicking a picture here with my Motorola mobile. When I open this picture, when I zoom this, I'll be zooming this. If you can see Moto logo shot on Motorola Edge 50, it is saying maybe it is visible or not. I can click another picture here. Here this will be, yeah, if you can see Motorola shot on Motorola H50. How you can remove? Actually, for any mobile, that may be Motorola, Google Pixel, Redmi, Poco, Realme, or any mobile, when you open the camera, you will see a settings gear icon at top right or top left or bottom or wherever it may be. You need to click on this settings gear icon and you'll see something like watermark here somewhere in the options. For me this is right at the top, so click on this watermark and disable this device watermark. You can set means time and date you can keep. If you keep time and date, it will be showing at the uh, right corner, bottom right corner, and if you enable the device watermark, it will be showing like shot on Motorola Edge 50. So just by disabling this device watermark, you're done. Next time when you click a picture, maybe this one, now you won't be seeing that what device manufacturer name at bottom left. Instead date and time is there. You can still off that date and time also. If you feel this video is helpful, please do hit a like, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.